In this podcast episode, Andrew Huberman delves into the intricate relationship between hearing, balance, and their roles in enhancing focus and learning. He explains how our auditory and vestibular systems interact with various brain functions, providing actionable insights on how to leverage these systems for improved cognitive performance. Huberman begins by marveling at the biological complexity of hearing. He explains that sound waves, which are fluctuations in air pressure, are captured by the outer ear, known technically as the auricle or pinna. The unique shape of the ear amplifies high-frequency sounds, allowing us to discern various auditory signals. The sound waves travel through the ear canal to the eardrum, which vibrates in response. This vibration is transmitted through three tiny bones in the middle ear, the malleus, incus, and stapes, before reaching the cochlea, a spiral-shaped structure in the inner ear. Within the cochlea, sound waves are converted into electrical signals by hair cells, which send information to the brain. Huberman emphasizes that this process allows the brain to break down complex sounds into their component frequencies, akin to a prism separating light. The brain then reconstructs these signals, enabling us to understand and interpret our auditory environment. Huberman discusses how our auditory system collaborates with our visual system to help us locate sounds in space. This ability is crucial for navigating our environment and understanding social interactions. He introduces the concept of the cocktail party effect, where individuals can focus on a specific conversation amidst a cacophony of background noise. This phenomenon relies on the brain's ability to filter out irrelevant sounds and concentrate on the desired auditory input. The brain achieves this by processing the timing of sound arrival at each ear, allowing us to determine the direction of sounds. Huberman notes that disruptions in this auditory-visual integration can lead to phenomena like the ventriloquism effect, where sounds are misattributed to their source. A significant portion of the discussion centers on binaural beats, which involve playing two different sound frequencies in each ear. The brain perceives a third frequency, which is the difference between the two, potentially placing it in a state conducive to learning. Huberman reviews scientific literature on binaural beats, noting that they can enhance focus, relaxation, and even reduce anxiety. He explains that low-frequency sounds, such as delta waves, are associated with sleep and relaxation, while higher frequencies, like gamma waves, are linked to alertness and cognitive function. While binaural beats can be beneficial, Huberman emphasizes that they are not uniquely special for learning. Instead, they serve as one of many tools to help individuals achieve optimal brain states for learning and focus. Huberman also explores the effects of white noise on learning. He cites studies indicating that low-intensity white noise can enhance auditory working memory and improve learning performance. The underlying mechanism appears to involve the modulation of dopamine levels in the brain, which is crucial for motivation and learning. However, he cautions that excessive exposure to white noise, especially in young children, may disrupt the development of auditory processing and tonotopic maps in the brain. Transitioning to the topic of balance, Huberman explains that our sense of balance is primarily governed by the vestibular system, located in the inner ear. This system comprises semicircular canals that detect head movements in three planes: pitch, yaw, and roll. The movement of small calcium deposits within these canals activates hair cells, sending signals to the brain about head position and motion. Huberman highlights the importance of the vestibular system in conjunction with the visual system. For instance, when we turn our heads to locate a sound, both systems work together to maintain balance and visual focus. He encourages listeners to engage in activities that challenge their balance, such as standing on one leg or participating in dynamic sports, as these can enhance both balance and cognitive function. Huberman emphasizes that engaging in activities that involve acceleration and tilting, such as skateboarding, surfing, or cycling, can significantly improve balance and cognitive performance. These activities stimulate the vestibular system and promote the release of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which enhance mood and learning capacity. He suggests that incorporating such dynamic movements into one's routine can lead to better overall cognitive function and well-being.